In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an affiliate program in Shopify using GoAff Pro. If you're looking to expand your reach and encourage others to promote your store, setting up an affiliate program can be a fantastic strategy. So let's dive right in and get started with this straightforward process. First, you want to open Shopify and log into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, which is often referred to as My Store, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your control center for everything you can do with your Shopify store. Look around if you want to familiarize yourself with the layout, but if you're ready, let's move on to the next step. On the home page, there should be an Add button that you need to click. This button is your gateway to integrating more features and functionalities into your Shopify store, including apps that can seriously enhance your business operation, such as affiliate marketing. Clicking on Add will take you to the next step, where you'll need to access the Shopify App Store. This is where you'll be able to find and install third-party applications that expand the capabilities of your online store. Once you're in the Shopify App Store, it's time to look for the specific tool we'll be using today. In the search bar of the App Store, you're going to type in GoAff Pro. Now, GoAff Pro is an app specifically designed for affiliate marketing, and it's quite popular among Shopify users for its easy integration and effective tracking features. Go ahead and type that in and hit Enter. After you've entered GoAff Pro in the search bar, the app should appear in the results. You're looking for the one titled GoAff Pro Affiliate Marketing. Click on it to get more details about the app, including its features, reviews, and pricing. Take a moment to look over this information if you're interested, but when you're ready to proceed, we'll move on. The next step is to click on the Install button. It's usually prominently displayed once you've clicked on the app from the search results. Installation might take a few minutes, but it's usually swift. When prompted, make sure to follow any additional instructions that may appear on the screen to ensure the app is installed correctly. Once the installation is complete, GoAff Pro will be added to your Shopify store. You'll want to dive into its settings to configure your affiliate program, such as setting up your commission structures and recruitment process. Exploring these features will help you make the most of your new affiliate program capabilities, empowering your promoters to effectively expand your brand's reach. And there you have it. You've now successfully added an affiliate program to your Shopify store. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to creating a robust network of affiliates who can help boost your store's visibility and sales. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides and tips to supercharge your online business.